So we were driving to this one interesting location when found out this. This looks like a school, but it isn't. We stopped by and said, "Yeah, we're gonna do a quick exploration. Maybe it's something interesting." But not really. Nothing. It's just empty rooms. But there is a hidden feature. That's why you're seeing this video. You can see like a tower. Something like a tower. And when we climbed that tower, there was this connection to the mountains. When we went to the mountains, when we crossed that connection, we saw a cave. We didn't have no flashlights with us, so we couldn't see how deep was the cave. But we wanted to go around it. And when we got around it, we saw another cave. Or let's say a mine, because I think this is some sort of a mining facility. And on top of the mountains you can see some fucking cement looking buildings. It's fucking hot. So, one of the boys went ahead and hiked up and saw nothing. The other mine that I was talking about goes straight down and there is a big crane, but there is no way to get down. And we found this hole. And when you look, as you can see, probably it goes far inside. So, yeah. Now it's my turn. Oh, wow. Evo piška, verno. Daj inventara.
Can I hold the whiting?
Daj mi telefon.
Добре. Айде, аз съм напред.
Жете си маска.
Чакай, да има толкова. Няма маска. Добре. Моли го, я напред. Това има светлина напред.
Сега ще видим.
Yo,
A jacket.
there is a second
Wow.
tunnel.
Tunnel.
There is a second tunnel.
Mike. And now a bear.
Nah. What's the what?
Yeah.
Oh shit. Той е кално. Но има и други стъпки. Това ще не е отмен. Вижте.
Да, нали драскам от Цецо, брат.
Да.
Цецо!
So the ground is wet and muddy.
You are searching for Cetsu right now.
Yeah, we're searching for Tsetsu.
Yeah.
It's getting dark. It's getting dark.
What is it?
It's a room.
Yeah.
Uh,
There is empty space.
At least it's cold, man.
Yeah. And it still continues. А тук тук не е много безопасно.
Ари, бе. Не мисля, че
Цецо!
50 метра вътре в градата се сетих. В тунела се усетихме, че е безопасно.
Чакайте, айде да не викаме толкова, момчета.
Но ти викаш.
Аз ли, бе?
Oh shit. Пишка!
Къде?
Ето. Wow, a wild penis.
Где я?
Я светни? Надолу, надолу. Oh my god.
Надолу?
На.
Надолу?
Човек.
Айде, момчета. Веднъж се умира.
So, we decided to go down. Let's hope we come back.
Къмпа.
Двете ръце сме заети, не мога да хвана за нищо, ако се хлъзна. Ама стълба, релси. There are railings here. Още яко, ако намерим количка.
Да.
Oh. It's going to be really cool if we found a minecart. Huh?
Може да не съм ви пребал и долу да я започнем. Ама май е склонява на работа.
Сташ ми?
Но! Не знам какво е.
Ой!
Не съм толкова бързо, бе.
Аз ли?
Да.
Настрани стъпвам.
Я стойте малко. Гледам дали камъните са...
До сега да не убило, слизай.
Добре, нека. Стой.
Май е деден, да?
Май или разклонява наляво или...
Слез ти, айде ще изчакам.
Добре.
So, our guy says that
I didn't
well, I mean,
you forced me to go down.
no. You wanted to go down. So, let's hope it's going somewhere. Oh, okay. You go down, we're gonna wait you and we're coming.
Hold on a second. I'm just gonna use my...
No, wait, stop it. If there is gas here, if there's gas here, oh man.
We're just going to die.
Okay, so we're gonna wait here for a while. Yeah, I'll be right back. So, we're down there.
We're getting down.
Yeah, that wasn't a railing, it was a wooden stairs. So here, this shit collapsed. Well, the little detour is not so little. Продължава ли? I had to get my headlamp. Сега някакви хора бачкат от другата страна. Ой. Ой, hit my hand. Fuck.
We are a bit lost.
No, we're not lost. Светни. Да няма водопад.
Може. Okay, let's just go.
Я светни пак да го снимам. То камерата не се вижда. Well.
Go further.
Well.
There's
A ladder. Woo!
No, I think that's a door.
A door.
Yeah, I think.
Fuck. Curiosity killed the cat, you know?
There is too much water.
Yeah.
I think we should go back.
Huh?
I think we should.
Yeah, zoom with the flashlight.
There's
There is no, it's not a door.
it's just a random wood or what?
No, it just continues. Yeah, let's go back. We're wasting time and... Well, we're going to get back and see you when we're going out, I guess. Fuck.
Oh, there.
That was fucking tough. We went and saw the other fucking tunnel, but there was nothing. It was cold and chill inside. Here it's hot, but at least there is fresh air and fucking... Well, that's going to be it for this video, I guess. Hope you enjoyed.